Once more, my name is Godwin, the author of African Bedtime Stories. Have fun and enjoy yourself.
Once upon a time, there was a little wise jackal, reputed for his wits. One day, the little jackal went out in the field in search of tiny insects, as they often did on sunny days. He was tired to hunt for rats. He said,
"I can't put up with any hot chairs in this hot sun."
He settled on a termite mound, an old decaying tree, stumped near a stepping rock, picking out tiny termites as they ventured out of their nests. The shades from the nearby oil bean tree provided succor from the hot, blazing sun. Suddenly, there was movement ahead of him. He noticed a movement ahead of him. He could hear a tap crack sound of a huge footstep coming his way. As he looked up, there was the lion coming toward him. Oh no, the jackal. What a sure end for a little jackal like me. Oh my God, he said, if he ever stood a chance of seeing his brothers and sisters again, he knew he had to live up to the challenge, because he had a challenge come his way. And because he knows his name is Jackal, the wise jackal, he needed to live up to his name. Do you understand? Yes. If you have a name to protect, you want to live up to your name. So that was what the jackal did. He said, I better protect my name because they know me as a wise jackal. So the little jackal was filled with fear, realizing that he was too near to escape. Any wrong move could turn him into a nice meal for who?
Lion.
Oh yeah, that means you're all listening. What can I do now? Thought the jackal.
Oh no, what a sure end for a little jackal. What can I do now?
In a flash, the little jackal thought of a plan. He stood upright on his hind limbs, turned his back on the
steep rock.
Yes, on the steep rock. As he turned his back on the steep rock, he pushed it with his back. He leaned on the steep rock and pushed it with his back.
Help me! Help me! Please help me!
He continued howling and howling, and then the lion stood still in amazement. The lion wasn't sure what next to do. I have seen a food to eat, I have seen a prey, and the prey is asking for my help. Oh, what do I do? And listen to what the jackal said to the lion.
Great lion, please help! The rock is about to crush us. My hands are getting weak. Help!
Are you playing a trick on me?
No, I'm not. Great lion, you have to do something very fast. The rocks are about to fall and crush us to death.
The lion stood him out and he said,
So, what do I do?
Please use your strength to push against the rock. Use your teeth to hold that sharp edge over there, and I will run fast and get more able-bodied animals to relieve you.
And the lion reluctantly put his weight against the rock.
Oh, thank you, great lion. I will quickly run to the village and get more able-bodied animals to relieve you.
The lion was left pushing against a rock. Can you imagine? He was pushing against the rock with all his might. He was sweating, pushing against the rock. He waited for the jackal for several hours. Minutes turned to hours, hours upon hours. And then he thought to himself,
I think I have been tricked by the little jackal.
And the little wise jackal once more lived up to his name. He has lived up to his name, the wise jackal. So you see how narrowly he escaped being eaten by the
Lion.
This is the end of my story. Did you enjoy it?
Yes.
Did you learn anything?
Yes.
Oh, are you going to tell me?
Yes.
All right.
I love that it's good to be wise.
You have to be wise. As wise as who?
The wise jackal.
You have to be as wise as the jackal. You should think fast all the time, isn't it?
Yes.
All right, any other lesson? Thinking. You're thinking. Think. I like that.
I learned that it's good to use your sense to save yourself.
Yes. Yes. You should think. Use your senses, okay? God has given you senses. So use your senses to think. Think out a solution. You don't always cry when there is a problem. You should think of a solution, okay?
Yes.
All right, children. I've given you 2 stars, okay? Can we go for the night? Oh, yes.
3.
Do you want another one?
Yeah.
Do you want us to go? Are you not hungry?
Yes, yeah.
Okay, we'll go home for the night. Can you give me a hug now? Okay.
Monkey, 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 monkey. We went to the lion's den. The beast and the bears were there. And suddenly monkey came down and landed before them there. The monkey gave a jump and killed the lion's knees. The lion's three heads down the monkey. That is the end of the monkey, One day all animals went traveling. They packed all their loads together. They said the ugliest must carry all their load, and at once the baboon started weeping. One day all animals went traveling. They packed all their loads together. They said the ugliest must carry all their load, and at once the baboon started weeping. One day all animals went traveling. They packed all their load together. They said the ugliest must carry all their load, and at once chimpanzee started weeping. One day all animals went traveling. They packed all their load together. They said the ugliest must carry all their load, and at once chimpanzee started weeping. One day all animals went traveling. They packed all their loads together. They said the ugliest must carry all their load, and at once the baboon started weeping. One day all animals went traveling. They packed all their loads together. They said the ugliest must carry all their load, and at once the baboon started weeping. One day all animals went traveling. They packed all their loads together. They said the ugliest must carry all their load, and at once gorilla started weeping.